Imagine sitting at your desk, looking at a screen that doesn't just show you your work, but practically vibrates with life. For 4 long years, Mac users have been stuck in a time capsule. We've had the same 5K panel, the same 60 Hz refresh rate, and the same aging webcam staring back at us. But as of March 2026, that era is officially over. Apple just dropped a bomb on the creative industry. This is the all-new Apple Studio Display 2, and its bigger, meaner brother, the Studio Display XDR. If you've been hovering your mouse over a Samsung Viewfinity S9 or considering a Dell UltraSharp, stop. Just stop. Because what Apple has done with the J527 project is more than just a spec bump. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They have fundamentally changed what a monitor is capable of doing without a computer attached to it. Today, we are going deep. We are diving into the 2000 nit mini LED architecture, the long-awaited arrival of promotion, and the secret A19 silicon that is now living inside your monitor. The story of Studio Display 2 begins with a problem. In 2022, Apple gave us a beautiful screen, but it felt like a relic. It was a 2014 panel in a 2022 body. But the 2026 reboot? It's a declaration of war. Apple isn't just competing with other monitors anymore. They are competing with reality itself. The new Studio Display XDR features a 27-inch 5K Retina XDR panel that utilizes tandem mini LED technology. For the uninitiated, this isn't your standard backlight. We're talking over 2,000 local dimming zones. This means when you're editing a night scene in DaVinci Resolve, the blacks are as deep as a black hole, and the highlights hit a staggering 2,000 nits of peak HDR brightness. But it's not just about the light. It's about the motion. The number one request from every Mac user for half a decade was simple: give us promotion. And in 2026, Apple finally listened. Both the standard Studio Display 2 and the XDR model now feature a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. If you've been using a MacBook Pro with promotion and then switching to a 60 Hz external monitor, you know that laggy feeling. It's gone. Moving a window across this screen feels like sliding silk across glass. But here is where the faceless mystery gets real. Inside this monitor isn't just glass and plastic. It has a brain. Apple has replaced the ancient A13 chip with the A19 Bionic. Why does a monitor need a chip that powerful? Because in 2026, the monitor is the computer. The A19 handles computational video. The new 12-megapixel center stage camera doesn't just track you. It uses AI to relight your room in real time. If you're sitting in a dark office in Seattle, the A19 recreates the lighting to make it look like you're in a sunlit studio in LA. And then there's the audio. The 6-speaker system has been recalibrated with spatial mapping. The monitor actually pings your room with ultrasonic sound to map the walls and ceilings, creating a Dolby Atmos soundstage that makes you wonder where the hidden subwoofers are. This isn't just a monitor. It's an immersive theater that happens to have a Thunderbolt 5 port. Let's talk about that port for a second. Thunderbolt 5. This is the first time we've seen 120 gigabits per second bandwidth in a consumer display. It's the only way to push 5K resolution at 120 Hz while